Unleash your creativity and stay on budget by creating a DIY small table. Whether you are looking to refresh your living room, add a cozy touch to a reading nook, or simply need a functional piece for tight spaces, building your own table can be both rewarding and cost-effective. With just a few affordable materials and a dash of imagination, you can design a table that reflects your style. You can find a comprehensive list of supplies and materials on the Detalles website. I repurposed an old cutting board and a candelabrum that I already had. You may want to look through your belongings or explore stores like Goodwill for items that could be useful for this project. Using a pencil, I visually located the center of the cutting board and used the candelabrum to trace a circle. For greater accuracy, consider using a compass to precisely determine the center point. Using a chisel, I went around the circumference to create a groove for the candelabrum to fit into. I sanded the surface smoothly, then wipe away all dust with a clean cloth. I then clean and dry the metal to ensure proper adhesion. I used JB Wick, a two-part epoxy great for working on metal. This epoxy has a 1-to-1 ratio, sets only in 6 minutes, and achieves full cure between 4 to 6 hours. Wear protective gloves to avoid skin contact with epoxy, both while mixing and applying it. It's important to apply it immediately after mixing, since it sets fast. Carefully apply epoxy around the edges of the candelabrum. Also apply epoxy inside the groove where the parts will connect. Place a table on a flat surface, floor recommended, and gently position the candelabrum into place. Using a level tool, check that the table surface is even before the epoxy sets. Once the epoxy has fully cured, sand down any excess to create a smooth surface. Then wipe away the sanding dust with a clean, dry cloth. I stain both the top and bottom of the tabletop. Once the stain dried, I apply one coat of mint wax acrylic finish. I hope you enjoy this DIY project and that it inspires you to create your own. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more projects. Until next time, thank you for watching.